Hey there, here's a quick video on how to manage your subscription, how to change products and things like that. So when you've logged in, you're going to see your name at the top here. I'm a brand ambassador, so if you are a VIP customer, yours is going to look a little bit different. You will not have this stuff over here. You will have this stuff. So go to your column and go to subscriptions. You're going to see two things here. The top subscription is your products. The bottom subscription is your annual VIP membership and the date that it's going to redeem. So we're focusing on products right now. You can see here my next one is scheduled for 12/1. I can change the date if I want to. I can change the date to anything that I want it to be. If I need something sooner, I can move it up. If I have an excess, I can move it out a little bit. You have total control of that. So click View Details. It's going to show you your whole list of everything that you have here. Now, the thing with this is you have to add product before you can take everything. You can't just delete everything on this list. So go first and add what you do want, and we will come back and make changes. Be patient with the website, and my computer is a bit of a dinosaur, so it's going to take me a little bit longer. So we clicked Add Product, and we're going to go down. Let's say I want to add a combo. You have all of the things here. So I've clicked Combos. Let's say I want the Slim, X Factor Plus, and Vital Biome. I'm going to click Add. It's going to ask me to choose my Slim flavor, save and add more, because I want to add something else here. So I'm going to go back to the top, all of the categories here. I'm going to go to Gut Health because I want to add some extra Vital Biome. Let's say I already have ProBio in my cart. You can see I want to add extra Vital Biome. I would click Add right here. And when I've added everything that I want, go back up here to Save Changes. And it is going to take us back to the subscription screen. I can again click View Details and I can see the whole list. Now at this point I can take away or add quantity to anything that I want. I have my Remove button here. I have my plus and minus here. If I decided that I didn't actually want microbiome activating, I want hunger control, I can do that here. Or if I have a combo that has a lean shake option, I can change the flavor of that here. So there are things in here that I actually don't want. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to remove that. Are you sure? Yep, I'm sure. You're also going to get a pop-up. Now, Plexus has a program. It's called our Perks program. If you have your subscription set to over 100 PV every month and you let it process, Plexus is giving you free money, basically. When you joined, you got 250 perks. That's essentially $25 in free Plexus money. And you earn at least 100 if you have your subscription set to 100 PV. You can see that here at the bottom. Mine's set to 258 PV at this moment. You also have your cancel option here, but we don't want to use that because we like free stuff. And all the information is here. And your subscription is completely in your control. You can do anything you want to it. You can add anything you want. You can take away anything you want. And you can, if having one large subscription is an issue, you can split it into two smaller subscriptions. As long as they equal 100, the two of them, you will still earn your perks. And you can see, let's see, let me go back up here. You have the option here to add new. So you could do one subscription that processes on the 1st for 50 PV, add a new one that processes on the 30th, or it would be the 28th is the latest that you can process one. So you can do that. You have that option as well. I hope that helps. I hope that makes it easy for you to manage your subscription and you are in total control. But if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know.